Now I'm going to demonstrate some of the different components that we can apply electricity to directly. Directly meaning this is your DC type components, and we can use two different types of power. The first is a battery, a regular 9-volt battery. The second will be a power supply, which we'll show here in a moment. The 9-volt battery will charge the light and make it light up. And what we can also do is we can apply the 9-volt battery cap and allow that current to flow through it and power different things. Now the first time I'm going to power this is with a simple 9-volt battery. Well, we will see that it'll start the motor, but it won't run it constantly because it is rather small. There it goes. All right, so we're going to switch over here to our power supply, which is set at 9 volts as well, and allows us to supply a steady current at all times to our motor. And as you can see, it runs a lot smoother. Okay. This is one of the buzzers that we can use to set off, and it makes a small chirping noise. If I can. All right. And then we have a more dedicated buzzer, much like a fire alarm. And then we have a speaker that, even though we're not applying the proper current, we can still get a noise out of it. We also have a smaller speaker that does the same job. Over here, let's actually pull it over here. Over here we have a set of relays, and what a relay does, it's a magnetically controlled switch on the inside, meaning when we apply current to it, the switch will open and close. And so what I can do is I can, here it goes, very, very soft, very quiet, but you'll see it in the next one. This type of relay, which I opened one up earlier, allows us to actually see the switch operate here on top. So I'm going to apply a current to the magnet, and it will allow us to show that switch opening and closing there on top. Okay. And we can even see this in one of the smaller forms, and this is a small relay, a very small relay. And it, if you listen carefully, hopefully we'll hear it activate. Okay, there you go. Now on our board over here, we're going to apply our electricity to our switch, and if we do it right, we will set our resistor in here, and our light will light up. And our light's not lighting up.